Doritos. I like Doritos. The hello. Um. Oh, hi, humans. Didn't see you. I sound dead. We're going on a school trip, doing helicopters and stuff. Gotten to actually go and fly one of those things. I'm joking. Okay, we got to like hover a little bit in one of them, and we got to go on the we got to go on one of the first planes that was made during World War II. So that was cool and fun. So yeah, and this is just a reminder about that we're nearly at 100 subs. We're only 8 subscribers away, and let me remind you all about all the giveaways that we'll be doing. So the giveaways will be a black long for prize number 1. The other prize will be oh, hello humans. Oh, I got chocolate. Chocolate is like the best. Thank you. I just got chocolate humans. That's nice. Yeah. So basically, so one of the prizes is a black long for 100 subs. The other one is an orange long. And then let me go back and see all my giveaways because I really can't remember. Like seriously though. Let me go back all the way to the beginning. So there's oh yeah, there's raccoon tail giveaway. Black long giveaway. Couple of short collars, and like a few of them are put on private because like what was I even doing? What was the music? And like I don't even know like So I got a dragon away because I like sent them a hi. I'm recording right now with my new microphone. um, wow, I've done like a lot of videos for only like a month, and like this is a month's long journey. Can we get to 100 subs in only 1 month? Now this is my challenge because my friend Casper Trains, he got to 160 subs in only like probably nearly about 4 years, and that's like so that's fun. And like, why don't we just go on Animal Jam Play World right now? Because like, Animal Jam Play World is like way better. And like, oh yeah, this is my thing that I've been doing. Yes, I don't know what life is. And yes, this is my computer that I'm recording off of because like and if my mic nearly fell out because I dropped the controller, which the controller has leads to go into my computer. Then the microphone is actually just using the controller to actually get it to work. So, ooh, lucky girl, and Triffy is on. Triffy's the one that I traded the thingy to, the RC, but I still have another one which is on my spare like right now. And like, I don't know what I'm doing today. Like, why don't we just go to my den and be snails? Like, that's like the number one best thing. So basically, our new thing is a snail. Hello human. Thanks for the smiley sticker. Ow. That hurt. Let me get my snail outfit up right now. Snails are life. I don't know why.
Don't know why. It's stupid.
But like snails are life right now, so like that's fun. We can dance some phantom poop now. Phantom poop.
Oh, is he speaking?
Oh, there you go. Okay, bye. Yeah, so that's just like a reminder about the giveaways, and we're nearly at 100 subs, guys. Only 8 away now. I remember when I only had 5, and that was like I don't know. Okay, like leave me alone. And if you haven't seen the weird, funny Animal Jam Play Wild intro with my snail, it's cool. Okay, you better go check it out. So basically, when I have to like basically when I do like, what am I saying anymore? Right, I need to eat my chocolate. Okay, so basically, this is my about thing. So stats. Joined February 10th, 2019. Over 3,100 views, which is like amazing. Let's see discussion. So the discussion says, "Hey guys, it's scary. My dad will get looked when I'm not making a video. Enjoy the videos and remember to hit the big red subscribe button." And then like a week ago, this person said, "Hey, it's Wolfie. I just want to say that your work is cool to me and keep it up, and forever be you." And Casper Twin says, "Remember to deal because we made deal like eyes up to him. And then my friend says, "Hello," a month ago. And then Sneaky says, "Rip my comment." So that's oof. And playlist, liked videos. All my liked videos are here. And a few other videos because like I like them. So channels, I've been very weird channels. So that I'm sub to. So I'm sub to Wolfie, Chasmith, Shop King, Darkoon, AJ, Awesome is Me, Bunny Fufu, Omar's, Valerie, Chocolate for Froggy, Oreo Blizzard, Animal Jam, Yorkley's Tales, the one who made my intro, not the like rainbow one though, Hearts and Tarts, Cherry Slush, By Hill Jamar, Bubble Eye Dreams, Luna AJ Rocks, Blue Claws AJ, Blackout AJ, Diamond Mum 96, The Least AJ, Scary Yeti Whitey, my old channel, don't go check it out, it's like really embarrassing, Usina AJ, Plebbles, Cones AJ, who's that? I need to go himself. As the Prototype, my friend from school, and Vonley AJ, like, I'm her biggest fan basically. She's cool, and I've actually pranked her, like, really bad, which made her, like, prank back, and, like, this video's getting too long, so goodbye.